Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh is likely to travel to New Delhi today for a high-level meeting of Chief Ministers and Niti Aayog scheduled to begin on July 26. Sources indicate that N. Biren Singh hopes to secure a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit, though formal arrangements have not yet been made. This potential meeting holds significance as he has not met with the Prime Minister since violence erupted in Manipur on May 3, 2023. However, the Chief Minister has held several discussions with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and other central government officials in recent months. N. Biren Singh will be joined by relevant state officials for the Niti Aayog meeting. The gathering is expected to address key issues facing various states and discuss collaborative strategies for development. The Chief Minister's Delhi trip comes at a crucial time for Manipur as the state continues to grapple with ongoing tensions.